everyone. Welcome to lecture series of Sambodhi Learning and Development. First of all, a big thank you to all viewers and subscribers. In today's lecture, we will discuss the question paper of Preventive and Social Medicine for Community Health Officers for the year 2020. The very first question asked in the question paper is, what are the causes of elephantiasis in Bihar? Wucheria bongrafti, Wucheria malai, B. timori, and option D. W. superia. The correct answer to this question is option A. Wucheria bongrafti. Actually, a study in the year 2004 come up with the report that Wucheria bongrafti are the major causes of lymphatic filary infections in the Bihar, West Bengal states. The next question is, the Dharmendra index is calculated in which disease? Option A. leprosy, option B. syphilis, option C. tuberculosis, and option D. polio. The correct answer to this question is option A. leprosy. The Dharmendra test allows to differentiate between the tuberculoid leprosy from lepromatous leprosy. The antigen was first reported by Dharmendra in the year 1941 and 42. So the correct answer is option A. leprosy. The next question is, what is Dutch cap? Option A. vaginal diaphragm, option B. vaginal sponge, option C. female condom, and option D. cervical cap. The correct answer to this question is option A. vaginal diaphragm. Dutch cap is a type of women's cap with triangular turn back at each side. The style is particularly associated with Dutch traditional costume. An intravaginal contraceptive device is also known as vaginal cap or the diaphragm. So, the correct answer is definitely option A, vaginal diaphragm. The next question is, what is recommended dose of PPD, that is purified protein derivative, in Montauk's test? Option A 0.5 ml, option B 0.1 ml, option C 1 ml, and option D 5 ml. The correct answer to this question is, the recommended dose of PPD in Montauk's test is option B 0.1 ml. The standard recommended dose in tuberculin test is administered by injecting a 0.1 ml, and this 0.1 ml of liquid contains 5 tuberculin units purified protein derivative into the top layer of skin of the forearm. So the correct answer to this question is option B 0.1 ml. The next question is, among which of the following is the strain of BCG vaccine? Option A Danish 1331, B CAM70, option C CRPM 197, and option D Beijing 3 strain. The correct answer to the question is option A Danish strain 1331. The CAM70 is for measles vaccine, the CRPM 197 is for the pneumococcal infections, and the Beijing 3 strains is for the Japanese encephalitis. The next question is, what of the following is false about live vaccines? Option A 1 dose for lifelong immunity, option B they multiply in host and resulting antigenic dose in larger than what is injected, option C they have major and minor antigenic components, and option D provides shorter duration immunity. The correct answer to this question is option D, it provides the shorter duration immunity. Rather, the live vaccine provides the longer duration immunity. The next question is, amongst which of the following biomedical waste is treated by incinerated? Option A human anatomical waste, option B sharp items, option C radiographic waste, and option D batteries. The sharp items and solid wastes are treated by disinfection first and then they get incinerated. So the correct answer to this question is option B. Sharp items are the biomedical wastes which are treated by incinerated. The next question is, which of the following is used as a gas sterilization? Option A, formaldehyde, option B, alcohol, option C, hypochlorite, and option D, H2O2. The hydrogen peroxide sterilization is also known as hydrogen peroxide gas sterilization, is a low temperature sterilization process which is commonly used to sterile heat sensitive devices. Alcohols are not recommended for sterilizing medical and surgical materials because they lack sporocidal actions. And sodium hypochlorite is a compound which is effectively used at a larger scale for surface purification. So, the correct answer to this question is H2O2 is used as a gas sterilization. The next question is, what is the limit of respiratory rate in normal 1-year baby? And the normal rate of respiratory rate in below 1-year baby is option A, 40 per minute. The next question is, what amongst is emergency contraceptive pill? Option A, levonorgestrel, option B, Rigvedon, option C, Loestrin 20, and option D, Yasmin. So, the correct answer to this question is option A, levonorgestrel. It is a hormonal medication which is used in a number of birth control methods. It is combined of estrogen to make combination birth control pills and also known as emergency birth control. The next question is, what does black color indicates in triage? Option A, death, option B, immediate, option C, delay, and option D, minor. The correct answer to this question is black color indicates death in triage. The significance of other colors are, the red color indicates the immediate attention to be given to the patient. The yellow color indicates a delayed attention can be given, and the green color indicates a minimal or the minor wounds to the patients. The next question is, amongst following does not included in UPHC? Option A, provide house, option B, maternal and child care, option C, safe water supply and sanitation, and option D, collection and reporting of vital statistics. The correct answer is urban primary healthcare providers, that is UPHC, provides all of the things like maternal and child care, safe water supply and sanitation, collection and reporting of vital statistics, but it does not provide the houses. So the option A is the incorrect statement and the correct answer to question number 12. The next question is, what is aflatoxin? Aspergillus flavus, nigrus, norovirus, or listeria? The aflatoxin is an Aspergillus flavus. The explanation to this question is, aflatoxins are family of toxins produced by certain fungi that are found on agricultural crops like maize, peanuts, cotton seeds, and nuts. These produces the aflatoxins, and the name of these toxins are Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus. So, the option A is the correct answer to the question number 13. The next question is, what is sanitation barrier? Option A, separation of excreta. Option B, separation of pure water from impure water. Option C, separation of infected patient from the healthy one. The explanation over this question is, sanitation barrier refers to segregation of excreta in such a way to break the disease transmission cycle. Feces should not be allowed to come in contact with food, water, and flies. So, the correct answer to this question is option A. Separation of excreta is a sanitation barrier. The next question is, following is not the waterborne disease? Option A, brucellosis. Option B, typhoid. Option C, cholera. Option D, hepatitis A. Brucellosis is a bacterial infection that spreads from animals to people. So, the answer to this question is option A, brucellosis is not a waterborne disease. The next question is, amongst following is not the two-way communication? Option A, lecture. Option B, symposium. Option C, group discussion. And option D, messaging. Here, the answer lecture. Option A is the correct answer to the question, because in lecture usually the lecturer delivers the lectures. Rather, option B, C and D have a two-way communication. So the correct answer is option A, lecture. Next question is, what is the standard weight of women in India? 45 kgs, 55 kgs, 50 kgs and option D, 60 kgs. The average stature of Indian women is 153.2 cm in height and weight of 55.1, which can be plus minus with the 2 kgs. So the correct answer to this question is 55 kgs is the standard weight of women in India. Next question. How does the disinfection of sputum done? Option A, Cresol. Option B, chlorhexidine. Option C, boiling. And option D, autoclaving. Actually, the disinfection of sputum is done by the phenols. So, the answer to this question is option A, Cresol is the component used to disinfect the sputum. The next question is, amongst vegetable fats versus animal fats, identify the incorrect statement. Option A, vegetable fats are more saturated. Option B, vegetable contains fat soluble vitamins. Option C, vegetable fats in liquid state at room temperature. And option D, plants have longer chains. The animal fats are saturated fat, so the option A is incorrect statement, that is vegetable fats are more saturated. So the correct answer to this question is option A. Next question is, which sound frequency is considered as noise pollution? Above 85 decibels, above 90 decibels, above 95 decibels and above 100 decibels. The correct answer is the noise above 85 decibel is considered as the noise pollution. The normal conversation is about 60 decibels and above 85 is considered as the harmful. So, here we complete our question session. Thank you for watching the video. Please press the bell icon and hit the like button for the further useful videos.